In this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to create a professional e-commerce website like AliExpress, Alibaba, Jumia, Konga, and the others, where you can easily sell any product such as shoes, bags, jewelry, wristwatches, or even digital marketing products. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola Ojumayiwa and I'm the mayor of Mio Concept. This is the module 8 of our free web design course, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to be walking you step by step how I built this e-commerce website for a drink company. So the first thing we're going to be needing to create this e-commerce website is a domain and hosting. And in our previous lesson, I've explained step by step how to buy a domain name and a hosting provider. If you don't know how to buy a domain name and hosting, I'm going to leave the link in the description, or you can just simply click the link that is showing up right now. Then once you are done watching and you've bought your domain name and hosting, then you want to come back to this video for the next step. So if you have your domain name installed already and you have been following through our courses, you will note that you have installed WordPress when we created the real estate website. So we have WordPress already installed on our website, and also we have a website on this WordPress already. So what we are going to be doing is to uninstall this particular WordPress on our cPanel so that we can have a fresh new WordPress that we can use to design our e-commerce website. But if you want to keep that particular real estate website, all you have to do is just to buy a new domain name and hosting to proceed with this particular tutorial. So without further ado, I'm going to jump in on my cPanel right now and log in. All right, so I'm logged in into my cPanel right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and come over here to WordPress Manager by Softaculous. As you can see, we have our previous installation on this WordPress website. All right, so we are gonna uninstall these and reinstall WordPress. All right, so I'm gonna click on this drop down and just click on uninstall. So remove installation, then click on OK. Okay, so then we are gonna return to WordPress management. Then you want to click on install now. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to make sure that this is showing HTTPS. Then this is this is correct. All right, so then you want to come over here and give your site a name. All right, this name of your site, depending, can be your name or any other thing. So I'm gonna click this, and then you want to input your site description. So which I'm gonna 0.00% alcohol. Then what you want to simply do next is come over here to the admin. Then you select a username for your admin. Then I'm gonna click on mayor. Then the next thing you want to do is to set a password for your admin dashboard. All right, the password you'll be using to log into your WordPress dashboard. All right, so I'm gonna do that. All right, then so I'm gonna come over here to this admin email and input the email that I want to be using. All right, so this, then you want to leave this as it is, then email installation to that particular same email, then click on install. Can save this and it should install in a few minutes, and that's done. Then what you want to simply do right now is to log into your WordPress dashboard. Right, WordPress dashboard. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to come over to the to your plugins. All right, so then you click on add new. All right, so then what we want to simply do is to click on to install the starter template. Okay, so starter template. All right, so and we're gonna click on install now. Okay, it is installed. Then we click on activate. Now you will be asked which page builder do you want to use. We used Beaver Builder in the last website we built a real estate website. Okay, so but for this website we will be using Elementor because Elementor has more functions that we can use to build our website. So we'll be using Elementor page builder for this. All right, so we want to click on Elementor. All right, now the next thing we want to do is to choose a template that we use to design our e-commerce website. So we're going to come over here to e-commerce right here. All right, then on this page, you want to select each and the templates that you want to use. All right, so there are a lot of templates you can use, and there are paid templates here and free templates. The paid one will have premium showing on them, but the free templates won't have the premium showing on them. However, I'm gonna be going with something. Okay, let me just go with something with this right here. Looks amazing. Okay, all right. So here, what we are simply going to do is to first upload our logo, the site's logo. All right, so I'm gonna click on upload here and select files. Okay, I'm gonna click on pictures, junior. Yep, that's it. Okay, click on select, and as you can see, it is now showing perfectly right here. All right, it is showing perfectly right here. So we have on this website, we have everything grocery and juice, in which we'll be customizing very soon. We're customizing this website. This is how our website will look like. We'll be able to purchase. These are products that are listed, best-selling products, and fresh vegetables, all these trending products, customer reviews. All these are what we're going to be customizing, and add our own products for our customers. Whenever they land on this website, when they click on each and every product, they can easily make payment directly, and all we just receive is a notification whether you need to deliver the product, whether you need to collect the details of the customer, that okay, they locate their location. We add that on the carts page, that they can fill their locations and every other thing, and they can make payments on the go. So now, without too much talk, we can adjust our logo right here to suit how you want it to look like. All right, I'm gonna leave it right here like this to make it much more visible, because this is what's it called? So this, I want it to come out much more. Okay, and that's okay right now. This is amazing. Okay, so now I want to click on continue. Now you'll be asked to select a default a theme. Like if you choose this, you see this actually changed. So you have to use a theme that will actually tally with what maybe like your brand actually represents. So I'm gonna leave it at the default one. All right, and I'm gonna click on before continue. I don't like these fonts, so you can come over here and change the font to any one that you think you like. So as you can see, you can change fonts to any of these fonts right here. So I'm gonna click on this Montserrat Lato, and I'm click on continue. Now you can agree all this. I'm gonna click on make sure you click all of this stuff. Do you understand? So these are additional plugins that will make it much more easier for you to design your e-commerce website. All right, so then what you want to simply do is to click on this submit, and you can agree if you want to be receiving newsletter. Well, me, I'm not receiving any newsletter. I'm gonna click on submit and build. All right, so now they are building our website it's going to be installing additional plugins that you can use, that will add more functionalities to our website when we start designing. You understand? All right, so that is done. Then we want to click on view your website. All right, and as you can see, this is our website right here. This is how it is looking currently. So we're gonna customize everything. Don't worry, everything will be customized, and it will look so much amazing at the end. All right, if you click on everything right here, okay, so it leads to our shop where people can see different categories. As you can see, there's grocery categories, there's juice category. They can search for any of these products. If they can't be scrolling, and it will bring them the results of any product right here. They can visit the juice section and pick any juice that they want. All right, so and also they can contact us and they can open an account. Once they make payments, an account will be automatically opened for them. We are gonna be going through every single thing step by step. Without any further ado, let's just proceed. So the first thing I want to do is to go ahead and add our product. So it is very essential. So what we are going to do is simple, and it is just to come over to your WordPress dashboard. Come over here and come to your dashboard. All right, so we are on our WordPress dashboard right here. As you can see, a lot of more functionalities have been installed when we installed our starter template, because we'll be needing WooCommerce, we'll be needing cart flows, all of these Elementor, everything has been installed for us. So now what we need to do is to add our own product to the website. So let me explain each and every functionality of how you can actually add your product yourself. So what you want to simply do is come over to this product section right here. So you want to click on all products. All right. So click on all products and you're going to see different products right here. Okay. You're going to see different products right here. So we are going to be customizing all of these to our product. But before that, we are going to be doing something very, very important. You click on this category right here. Click on the categories. All right. So, and you can see we have the categorized section right here. So we have the uncategorized, we have groceries, we have juice. All right. So now you can add your own category. If you want to add a new category, you can, add a new category right here. Okay. And, set the slug and description. Okay. Now, if you want to just customize this one that's already there, it's simple. And I'm going to show you guys how to go about it right now. So you want to click on this edit. Okay, click on the edit icon and you can see we have groceries right here. We have groceries, then we have parents category none. It doesn't have any parents category. So parents category will have this will be under subcategory. So but it will be much more complex for this stage, but we are going to stick with the simple one for now. So now what we're simply going to do is just to, go ahead and name our store category of our store. So I'm building a website. The e-commerce website I'm building is actually for a drink company and they sell both wines and water. So I'm going to be illustrating that right now. So we have different categories. We have wine categories and we have water categories. So I'm gonna select wine right here, wines. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing in this slug. It is very, very important to note what you are using in your slug. I will show you the importance very, very soon. So once you are on this wines page, okay, you want to go down and come over to the description and type in your description if you have one. Okay, so I'm gonna just delete it. I don't have any description for that. So then you can upload a thumbnail image right here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on upload and I'm gonna click on upload files, select files, and then I have some image right that I can use. So I can use some image. Now that is that I've selected that one, then I'll click on use image. Okay, then I'm gonna click on, once you are done with your editing, come over here and click on update. And as you can see, we have that has been updated. All right, so now let's go back to categories. So we now have wines in this section. As you can see, there is wines, and this is actually showing 10. This is showing 10. It means that there are 10 categories, there are 10 products under these categories. So if we go to our website and we click on the wine section, we are going to be seeing 10 products under this wine section. All right, I'm going to be showing you how to add a product to each category very, very soon. All right, so now what we want to do is to edit this juice also into the water, into the second category. So I'm gonna click on water, then repeat it, water. Okay, so then I'm gonna click on upload and add image, so that the thumbnail is just for you to recognize each and different categories. All right, there is nothing much to it. So I'm gonna upload files, select files, just upload something random. I'm gonna upload this one, and that is done. Then I use image, then I'm gonna click on update. So that is done. What you want to simply do Okay, we forgot to remove this, remove that, and click on update us again, and that has been updated. Go back to categories. Okay, so we are now in the category section, and we have the water and the wine section. Now the next thing we want to do is to have our product set up properly. So you want to click on all products right here. Okay, now we have each and every product. Now let me explain different type of all this stuff to you. So if you have this star means that you want this product to be showing on the home page. If you actually go to our home page, we will see that this particular product is showing on the home page. So every product that you star, you mean you want them to be showing on the home page. That's just the meaning. If you can see these unstarred ones, they won't be showing on the home page. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to add your own product and edit this and add your own product image. All right, so now if you want to make it look very, very professional, I would suggest that you add PNG images without background. All right, so that it will easily blend in on any background. All right, it will easily blend in on any background, and it will be responsive later on. Okay, so now let's edit one of these products right here. I'm gonna click on edit, and I'm going to show you how you can get all your images that you've wanted to, like images of product, how to remove the background easily right now. So I'm gonna click on edit. I'm just gonna use one as an example. Okay, so I'll click on edit. As you can see right here, this is the name of the product. This is where you enter the name of the product. So I'm gonna enter one of the names of the products, which is Chambor. Okay, then I'm going to come over here and just delete this. I don't have any description for it. So now coming down here, this is where you set the price. The price is currently still in dollars, and I'm going to be showing you later in this video when we reach the WooCommerce section how you can change this into Naira or any other currencies that you want people to pay you with. All right, so now currently the sales price, this is where you set it, regular price. If you want a cancelled price, if you visit e-commerce websites before, and you see that you say previous price was like $300, that they are doing promo, they are selling it for $19. So if you want a cancelled out price, so you put in this sale price right here. Do you understand? All right, so now we'll come over here and add your description. I'm just using this as a demo. All right, so add your description of each and every product. All right, you type it in, you type in your description, you type in your short description also right here. Now the first thing we are going to do, this is the product image. We are going to be changing this product image right here. Okay, so you can actually use what's it called, if you think that the image actually is showing better with background, like it makes sense with background, then there's no reason for you to remove the background. However, if you are feeling like, okay, this image is actually not showing properly, then it's better for you to remove the background, okay, for it to blend in. Because I love images to blend in like that. So now if we go over to let me see, there is one Chambor right here that I downloaded. So this is it, but I don't think I can use this because this is way too much bigger. So I'm gonna click on upload files, select files. I should see one Chambor without okay, so I think this is it. So I'm gonna click on this one. Is that it? Yes, that is it. So then I'm going to click on set product image. So it's it. So as you can see, this is showing is showing amazingly. It's like the image is okay. But I want to show you guys, if you want to remove the background of this image, all you simply want to do is come over here and come to BG remover. Okay, then click on remove.bg. Okay, that's the name of the website. Okay, so then you want to upload the image you want to remove. Okay, I think, where is it? Yep. And as you can see, it has removed the image for us. So I'm gonna click on download, and it is downloaded. So I'm gonna come back to our website, and I'm gonna click on change image. upload files, select files. I'm going to come to downloads and I'm going to pick this. Okay, then I'm going to click on set product image. And as you can see, this is how PNG images will look like. All right, so now once we are done, we want to click on we are done. Now for the category, this is very, very important. You can see this, we have the product categories right here. Okay, now it is showing you different categories that is available on your store. So we have the uncategorized, we have the water, and we have the wines. All right, so you want to select the appropriate category that you know that your product falls into. Now I am uploading a wine, so obviously this product will be in wines. If the product actually falls into 2 categories or 3 categories, you can actually check more than 1 categories. For there are products like that that will fall into more than 2 categories. Do you understand? So you want to click that. So it is only wines. I'm going to be leaving it as wines. Once you are done, you want to come over here and click on updates. If you have been getting value from this video, please leave a like on the video. And also, if you have any questions or any opinion, feel free to comment it in the comment section. I'm going to be responding to each and every of your comments. Also, if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. What I simply do on this channel is to empower people with the necessary skills that they need to start making money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you're notified every single time I drop similar valuable videos such as the one that you're watching right now. Okay, that is updated. Now if we come to our website, that's how you actually create a product. That's how you edit. Okay, what we have done is editing. So if you want to add a new one, okay, if you want to add a new, you can come over here and click on add new. All right, click on add new. All right, then you type in the name of the product and you follow the same process that we've just followed right now. That's how you add all your product or edit those ones that are already there. So now I'm going to add each and every product that I want to be on my website. So if you have edited some of your products and you don't want some to be there, there will still be some product that you don't want to be there, you can easily trash it, delete them from the website. All right, so that is that. So let's just check our website first and see the one that we just let's also visit the site and let us check the one that we just did right now. So if we come over here, we can see that there is no there is no stuff, there is no trending product or anything that is currently showing here. Yes, it's because of the slug that we changed. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change, correct that with short code. All right, we won't be coding, don't worry, we won't be coding, but with just short code, we'll be correcting it and our product will be displaying right here. But let's just check our store first. That's what we actually did. If you come to, you can see our store is now showing wines and water. All right, so we have everything right here. We have wines, we have water. So if I click on these wine categories right now, as you can see how this is standing out. See all this one with background, as you can see how they look like. Now see this one without background. See how it's making sense. This chamber is saying wines, okay, and we have what's it called there. So now let me add all of the rest of the products and get back to you guys. I'm gonna add every of all these products right now. All right, guys, I'm done adding the products. Every single product I wanted to add on this, and I've selected every other thing. So it's just remaining this. So I need to edit something very, very quickly. So I just need to change this category right here. So only water. Then I'm gonna click on updates. Okay, so now let us check our websites. And let's view sites, open link in new tab. Okay, so and let's go view our website. As you can see, there's still nothing on the home page. What we have just done is just add our product, which is mainly the main thing that we want to do. All right, so now if you click on these wines right here, if you click on everything, okay, if you click on everything, it will take us to the shop. All right. And as you can see this beautiful images. See this, isn't this very, very appealing? See all these, see the water showing here. That's why I said it is better if you remove the background. It will make it much more appealing, as you can see. So I've not added everything, but just to show you guys how this works. So if I go to the wine section only, okay, I only want to buy wine. As you can see, these are all the wines that are available right here. Okay, if you are selling at a special price, it is saying sale. Okay, so I've showed you guys how to do the cancelled out stuff. Okay, so this is exactly how your e-commerce website is going to look like when you follow all that steps. So now the next thing we want to do that is important is to customize our homepage. All right, so all we just need to do is to go back. Okay, just come back to the home page, click on this button right here, and that will have the home page right here. So now the next thing we want to do is to customize this home page. All right, so now what we are going to be using to customize this home page is Elementor. All right, so click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so now we are on the Elementor dashboard and click on continue. Then we have this, as you can see, it is now editable. We can now edit this website right here now. So we have to put something very, very amazing right here, so that will amaze people and tell people where they are actually landing onto. Okay, so we have to put a picture right here. So if you see this widget right here, you can you can add images, video, text editor, anything you want to add, you can add it. So if I just click on this right now, and as you can see, there is an image existing right here. Because I deleted it, that's why it is not showing currently. So I'm gonna choose another image right now. So I think I have a particular image in mind. So if I come here, I'm planning on using this particular image. It seems very, very amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the background. You see how it's gonna look like. It's gonna surprise you guys. So if you come to remove background, then what you have to do is just come over to back here. Then I'm gonna click on upload image. Okay, then I'm gonna go over to pictures. Then I'm gonna select the actual, okay, this particular product right here. It can represent the brand. All right, 0.00% alcohol. So as you can now see, we have this beautiful image right here that is like it can portray the brand. You can see all this stuff right here. That's why I love that image. So edit. Okay, so I'm gonna upload the file right now. Select files. Okay, then come back to downloads and boom. Yep, I'm gonna select it. Okay, as you can see, it's showing on the right on the left side. So I'm gonna place it in the middle, and as you can see, this is amazing. Like, it is showing the green color that we have right here that we used to customize the black and green, so to portray the brand. So I'm gonna edit this, and I'm just going to delete it. I don't need this leaf right here, so I'm gonna delete this. So if you want to delete, just right click and delete, and as you can see, that is done. Okay, so when you have done anything, just come over here and click on update. Okay, so and that has been updated. Now I want to edit this particular text, so I'm just gonna click on this button right here, and I'm gonna just edit it. So best quality drinks, because it's a drink brand. Drinks, I'm gonna say 0.00% alcohol. Then I'm gonna come over here with a little description that's okay. Your favorite drinks, all your favorite drinks, all your favorite wines, or all your favorite drinks. All your favorite non-alcoholic wines, and water. Maybe like portable water and clean, well packaged water. Okay, so clean, well packaged water, well packaged. Let me say H2O, so that's that will make it much more H2. So H2O. So all right, so that's that. Now I'm going to try to adjust this. I don't like, so we want to come back to style right here. Okay, I want to come back to style. Then you want to click on this content, come down, then spacing. Okay, so that's more like it. That's more like it. So add, you can see this is the leaf that is here. We can add something relatable, like something that is related to drinks right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this background. So I'm gonna go to style, then okay, come to advanced. Where is this stuff? So come to style. Okay, then okay, come down to background overlay, and you can see we have this image right here. So I'm gonna find an image that I can use for that. Okay, I click on select, and now it is more like it. Okay, let me just reduce it a bit. Okay, go to advanced. Okay, come here, come to style, background overlay. Can just put in this other one right here. Select. Wow, now this is making sense. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead with medium. It's still large, so let me adjust the width. Yep, this is wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. As you can see, this drink is now showing right here now. So now let's adjust the opacity a little bit so we can allow it to come out. Okay, now we have that. So the next thing we want to do is to customize this shop now. Our shop now button should be redirecting us to our everything. So like when they click on shop now, that means they want to shop. Then they should be showing them every single thing that you have in store for them. So we actually copy the link to this one, okay, later on, and we can put it here. Okay, let's copy it now so that we can edit it immediately. So if you tap on this link, if you tap on this box right here, you're gonna see link right here, the link to the shop. Okay, so what we're gonna do is simple. Let me just update it first. So always remember to update. Okay, always remember to update. So what I'm gonna do is simple. I'm just going to come over to visionaire.com.ng. Okay, and then I'm gonna click on, wow, this is just amazing. I love this. This is amazing. So when I click on everything, it will take us to shop. Okay, so now I want visionaire.com.ng/shop. That's where we are going. So we're gonna just come over here and copy that. Then we are gonna come back to our edits. Okay, now We're gonna copy that one. I'm gonna paste it there. So remove that hash. You don't need the hash again. Okay. Now we want to click on update. So let us look for more stuff here. All this shop now, we are gonna be changing them. Okay, this particular one, let's just change it now immediately. Let's add it, Control V, and update. Okay, this also customer reviews. Okay, so we don't have customer reviews for the one I'm currently using. So this featured brand also is not available. That's why I've deleted all that. So let's just check our website right now. We come back to check our website and just to refresh. So you come back to the home page. So this is it. Then we click on shop now. As you can see, it is now directing us to this page right here with beautiful products. So if you come back here again, all right, and we scroll down and we click on shop now, it's going to show us all these products that we have on our website. So now the next thing we want to do, we want to continue customizing our home page. Okay, so all these free shipping, certified stuff, free shipping, then I'm gonna indicate that terms and condition, and okay, that's not and see apply. So certified drinks, certified drinks, or let me say okay, let's just leave it like that. Huge savings, easy returns. Let me say safe to drink. Okay, and we can change the icon. As all these icons that you're seeing here, can come here to change the icon. Just go to the icon library and you can easily change any of these icons to the one that you prefer. So I don't even know which one I can use for health stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a random one, right? So like, okay, this shield. Okay, let me insert shield. Okay, safe to drink. Wow, this is amazing. NAFDAC approved. Okay, now that is amazing. Let us click on updates. Now once we are done, we want to go ahead to the best selling product. Now you will note that there is nothing here and we have something there before. Yes, we have something there before. So what is happening? There should be something here. So now what we have to simply do is to come over here, click on it. You can see we have, if you come over to this, enter your shortcode, we have product limit 4 columns 4. Okay, that means only 4 products will be showing right here. So if you want to show more than 4 products, okay, so you can increase this limit. Now you can see here that it is groceries that is here, and we don't have any groceries here again. What we now have is the wines and water. Okay, what we now have is the wines and water. So if you want wines to be here and water, then what you simply need to do is just to come over here and type in wines. Okay, type in wines. Whatever you use, that's what you would type. Type in wines. You can see immediately I typed in wines. The wines are now showing. The wines are now showing. So let me type in water also. Water. So it will be showing. But since the product limit is 4, so I can increase the product limit to like maybe like 6. Then as you can see, wow, this is so amazing. Well, let me just increase the columns. So the columns should be like this. Let me just increase the columns to like 6. And as you can see, these are amazing wines and water products. All right. Now, if we don't have any water here because most of the wines, we have more than 6 that are listed, because so if I actually said 8 now, it's like 8. Okay, you can see there is one water actually listed. Now there is water actually listed. So if I said this one should be 8 also, oh sorry, 8. Okay, as you can see, it is now 8 products, best selling products. These are now all showing. This is amazing. This is so much amazing. I'm so proud. Okay, so now I'm gonna click on delete right here. We don't want that one. So next, we can actually add a particular image here to further, add to our visibility, the visibility of our website, something like this. So I'm gonna go to my files. Okay, or let me just come here directly. I know the file I'm looking for. Then change this. So I can change it to upload files, select files, come to pictures, come to Junior, come down, and I can upload this. Okay. Then I'm gonna click on select. As you can see, this is amazing. So we can come to styles, then we can adjust the width. Okay. As you can see, this is amazing. Still showing us that they still have, different type of drinks right here. Another drink right here. It's just for design. Okay. I think I love this. It's okay right here. Okay. If you want to adjust the opacity, but I prefer you actually come out. Okay. So now, next up is this particular one. We should have something right here. Okay. So we don't need this. I'm gonna click on update. Then I want to delete all these. I don't need this currently. We don't need all these. So I'll right click, delete, right click, delete, right click, and delete. So then you want to right click on this also and delete the color. So the color. So now you want to proceed with this. I don't like how this is showing. So come here, come to alignment, center the alignment. So let me just say discounts. I'm just gonna say get a discount off your first purchase. Okay. So we are just gonna, let me just reduce the size a little bit, come to style, the typography, click on edit, then the size. So now, okay, that is good. All right, so now we have that. Then we click on update once again. Now try it for free, no registration needed. Nope, they are not trying anything for free. For here, they are not trying anything for free. Right? So now what we are gonna do is just to come over here and delete this palette. Okay, then the trending products, we want to add something right here again. You can see we have juice, we have groceries. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the same thing I've put in before, the wines and water, or let me just put water only. So I'm gonna edit this to okay, let me just put in wine. Now water first, water, then comma, then we have wines. Okay, now that is that. We have them right here. So okay, that is that. One click on updates. Then we don't have any customer review. I'm just gonna, cancel all these all through. Featured brand we don't have. So now we are done with the homepage. Our homepage is now available and it is now ready. As you can see, this is now ready right now. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is just to edit the footer. Okay, so that it will be easier. So I'm just gonna click on update. So let's check our site. If we reload this right now, okay, and comes over to coutinho.com.ng. As you can see, we have this beautiful and amazing website right here. We have these, we have all these. See this. This is amazing. This is amazing. They can actually click on each and every of these products and intend to buy them. Get a discount off you on your first purchase. Trending products. I'm gonna remove this. This is not supposed to be here. So imagine then we have the footer section. So now we're gonna go ahead and customize the footer. So click on customize. Okay. So then we have this right here. So we have the header builder, the footer builder. So let us go ahead to the footer builder. So I'm gonna come over to the footer builder right here. And as you can see, we have different widgets right here. Most of these we'll be using. So the first one, come down. Okay. So I'm gonna be editing this widget 4. Okay, we got it. Then the image is what we are going to be. That image cannot be found. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is to media library. So I'm gonna just add image. So since I click on the add image, I'm gonna go ahead and add our websites to widgets. Now it's gonna be showing Coutinho now. So this is add the widget 2, which is about, cards, checkout, contact, home, my contact sample page, which I don't need. I'm gonna click on remove and it's gonna remove it. So get it on Apple Store. What is the widget 1? So you can easily edit it down below. So the widgets 1, quick links, download our mobile app, know more about us. The person doesn't have a mobile app yet, so I'm gonna remove this widget 1. Okay, so then we have the widget 3. Okay, we have the widget 3, and it is available on Google Play Store. I'm gonna remove us also. Then we have the social. Okay, we have the social. These are the socials below right here. So okay, I'm set this one. I'm just gonna delete this. So I don't need it. I'm gonna bring the copyright right here, heart in the middle, and the social media links by the right. Then I'm gonna change this one also. Click on edit. Then we want to go down and delete all this stuff right here. Okay, that is done. So what I'm simply gonna do is to select this widget and make the settings. I'm gonna select it into 3. Then I'm gonna bring in the copyright right here and the socials right here. Okay, so and that's amazing. So if you come right here, that's the footer. We have the logo, we have the copyrights, then we have all the social media links. So now we can customize the links. We can click on each and every of these links, okay, and it will take us to the required page that it's supposed to take us to. So if you want to customize this, all you simply have to do is just to click on this edit button. Then you can now come over to this Facebook. I don't know of Yep, so I'm gonna just cancel this Yep. So then we can now go over them and just put in the URL to their Facebook and Twitter and all those stuff. You can put it there. So now we are done. So let's just click on publish and we are good to go. If you want to check our website right now, so let's just come over here again and reload. And we should just come over to the home page. And then we're gonna see this. This is totally amazing and mind-blowing. So as you can see, now we have this as the footer. Though the footer is supposed to have much more, but due to the time, so you can add any of terms and condition, all those buttons right here. But I don't want to waste our time. So now if you click on wines, okay, if you click on wines, you're still gonna see the same thing on the footer section. So that's all about the footer. So now the next thing we want to do is to go ahead, change these dollars into Naira. Okay, so what we simply want to do is just to come over to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, then you want to come over to WooCommerce. Then we click on settings to set it up. Okay, so now the next thing we want to do is to actually set our WooCommerce. Click here to set this to Nigeria since we are using the Naira currency. So this is just the store address. It's actually not the currency. So what you just want to select, okay, we have Nigeria. Then I'm gonna use Nigeria Lagos. Okay, so then sell to all countries, ship to all countries also. Then also you want to come over here to United States. As you can see, this is the currency. Then we want to have the Nigerian currency, Nigerian Naira. So now that is that. Then we click on save changes. That is amazing. So if we now come over back to our website right now, come over here, let's open the link in new tab. Okay, as you can see, this is now showing in Naira. This is now showing Naira. If you click on this now that I want to make purchase for this product, I can add this product to cart. You can see this is saying plus free shipping. We are gonna be editing that to know which product we are gonna be adding free shipping to. So once you click on add to cart, you can view the cart, okay, and you can see the one in Naira. They can proceed to checkout, and it will calculate all of this for them. So we are gonna be setting all this because there are no available payment method yet. Okay, so we are gonna be changing all of this stuff, and we are gonna be making it much more professional. So in the next lesson, I'm going to be showing you how you can properly set up your payment gateway, add a Flutterwave account, and integrate a Flutterwave account into your WordPress website. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson.